Hello, welcome, and other greetings. If you're looking for ways to save more money, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that'll help you save more money regardless of your income. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Here we talk about all things personal finance and business. If you're interested in learning how to manage your money and grow your wealth, consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's jump into how you can save more money. Tip number 1, automate your savings. I first heard this advice in I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, and if you hadn't read the book yet, I highly recommend it. This concept was a total game changer for me. It's an extremely simple concept, but it's extraordinarily powerful, and it's a great way to help you save more money. The idea is very similar to bill pay in that you automatically set up a transfer, but instead of paying your bills, you're using it to move money from your checking to your savings account, your brokerage, your retirement, etc. You get the idea. So once you set it up, it's just set it and forget it. You set the amount that you want to transfer, the frequency. Then if you get a raise at work or you have some expenses free up, all you have to do is change that amount, and now you're automatically saving even more money. It's a great technique to make sure that you're always saving, and if you start making more money, you can start saving more. I really think this is the best way you can save because you don't even have to think about it. It just happens. It's just taken from your bank account. And to be honest, you probably won't even notice that it's missing. Money saving tip number 2, stop impulse purchases. Just don't do it. If you feel the impulse to purchase something, hold off. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy it. I'm just saying don't buy it on impulse. Sleep on it. Wait until the next day. There's a lot of power in waiting and just sleeping on it. So on that next day, ask yourself, do I really need this, and will this make my life better? And if the answer is yes on that second day, go ahead and buy it, or maybe even wait a third day. But chances are, just by waiting a day or two, you're going to find that with a lot of impulse purchases, you end up deciding that you really don't need it, or you might forget about it altogether. So stop impulse purchases. Another upside to not buying something on impulse is when it comes to online shopping, some retailers, once you put something in your cart, if you let it sit there for a couple days, they'll send you a coupon code for that item so that you buy it. So if you determine that you still want it, you're saving more money. And that is a bonus money saving tip for you. You're welcome. All right, rolling right into tip number 3. Utilize off-peak electrical hours. I'm sorry, what's that you say? You haven't heard of off-peak electrical hours? You're probably not alone there. I first heard about this from Grant Stephan, and after I did a little bit of research, it is a very legitimate way to save money. You'll have to see based on your area specifically when these times are, but it's going to be times when utilization of energy is significantly lower, and as such, the electric companies cut the expense of using energy by a significant amount. And so this can save you a lot of money. So you may want to, if it's eligible in your area, you may want to consider trying to run like your dishwasher or your dishes in those off-peak electrical hours. And this can save you a lot of money. Moving right along, let's talk about money saving tip number 4. Pay off your credit card debt. It probably comes as no surprise to you that this is on the list, but if you have credit card debt, it is costing you money. And if you have a lot of credit card debt, it is costing you a lot of money. Credit card interest rates are incredibly high, so you need to pay off your credit cards as soon as you possibly can. By paying off that credit card debt, you'll be able to save more aggressively. Think about it like this. If you are paying $100 a month in interest on that credit card and you pay it off, that's essentially a $100 raise that you're getting. So that's $100 that you could put toward a mortgage payment, investments, saving for college, saving for retirement, your choice. But that's $100 extra bucks you've got every month. All right, now we're moving on to our final money saving tip for this video. And that is number 5, which is pay yourself back. Now, paying yourself back is a way of basically forcing yourself to save more money. What this means is anytime you do anything for yourself that you would have paid someone else to have done, for example, change your car oil, cut your own hair, maybe mow your lawn, pay yourself for that. So transfer money. So if you change your car oil, transfer $25 from your checkings to your savings, or from your checking to your retirement account. If you cut your own hair, transfer $20. However much you would pay someone to mow your lawn, maybe $15, $20. If you take this approach, you will see your savings rack up quickly, because instead of paying somebody else, you're paying yourself for your labor. Now, maybe it's not a good return, but if you're going to do it anyway, you might as well pay yourself for it. This is a technique that I've been using for about 1.5 years now, and it's been an excellent way to really squeeze out some extra savings that I didn't know I had the money for. And to be honest, you probably won't even miss that money. Again, if it's 10, 15, 20 bucks here and there, those are the things that can creep up on you and really destroy your budget. But if you're saving, that's the exact opposite of the leaky faucet. So I would highly recommend that you give this a shot. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found it interesting and informative. Consider giving one of these 5 a shot or all of these 5 a shot. I really think they'll help you to save more money and build your wealth quicker. And if you found this kind of content interesting, consider subscribing. If you like this video, leave a like. Comment down below. Let me know if you've got any other money saving tips that you think would be useful. Until next time, thanks. Bye.